Hello. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm gonna be, doing a little headlight restoral or refresh, however you wanna call it. I picked up one of those kits from Harbor Freight. Pretty thing. Can't really see it that well. I said let me try it out. My headlights are not that bad, but I'm still want to freshen them up a little bit. Because when I did when I upgraded them, I did do some work to the lens, but nothing crazy. So at least check it out. So it's still pretty clear, but a little bit of I guess haze or fogginess on it. So at least clear it up. You probably could see it better on this one. This one has a little more haze on it. So I got an opportunity now. I have an opportunity now, so I'm gonna deal with that. Let me show you everything that I got. Let me show you everything. So I got an opportunity now. I'm gonna show you everything that I got to deal with it. So I'm gonna use a little drill. I have some water here that I'm gonna be spraying on the lens, and then everything else basically comes in the kit. So this is everything that comes in the kit. Attachment for the drill, sanding pads, I think like 500 grit, 800 grit, and a 3000 grit, masking tape to go around the lights, and then the polishing pad, and then the polishing compound. So yeah, I'm gonna go put the camera up on the tripod and get started.
So you can see it.
First stage of using the 500 grit. Looking all foggy, but it's gonna get clearer.
Do you see it? Do you see the camera?
Yeah, no, it's off. Alright, so I have reached the level of 3000 grit. Check it out right now. Looking much clearer. Let me give you a little wipe. Not bad. Small scratches and stuff have been removed. All I gotta do now, I'm gonna do one more pass over with the 300 grit, and then I can't see myself. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna do one more pass with the 300 grit, and then I'm gonna polish it, and then I will compare it to the other side, and you can see what's going on. Oh. All right, hold on there. All right, this is after the 3000 grit. I'm about to add the polish now, and that'll be the final stage. Let me put this down here. All right, so I'm gonna put the compound polish on here. You videoing?
Mhm.
Then this will be the final stage.
This is how it goes. You see this? That's what Daddy's doing. No, that's what she. There we go.
See?
It looks nice. It's amazing.
Excuse me, Abby.
Now we look at the other side. This one, it don't need a change. You can see. You can see the difference. Well, in the beginning, you could see the difference, which one was clear and which one was not. So you see that one is like after and now. That is that side. That is that side. Whoa! That my finger is a different position. I said that is that side. That side. That will look like that side. It's good. It looks fine. It looks shiny.
Yeah.
You just take a quick view of it. And then you got this side that doesn't look that bad. That's the thing. So,
Yeah, but this side, it doesn't look the same.
foggy?
This has some haze on it.
Yeah.
Like, it has something on it, so that has to get polished off too.
So this needs to get polished?
The whole process.
Oh.
Alright, so this side is looking nice and clear. Just there, this side is looking nice and clear now. Loving how it came out. Little rinse. Now, this side still looks clear, but you know what I'm saying, if you know, this side looks clear, but I guess the camera lens can't catch it. There's like a little haze in the lens, so I'm definitely going to polish this one down so it can be as clear. But this has a little bit of fine scratches on this side, but it's still clear. But yeah, we want it to look wonderful. So as I go and continue that now, I don't have to basically record that because you guys seen what I did on that side. So here we go. Alright, look at these lenses, looking nice and clear. The haze is gone. Over to this side. Man, I'm loving it, loving it. Alright, I'm just going to take this masking tape off. Yeah. Little Harbor Freight kit did the job. I could have just bought regular sandpaper and get this done, but you know, the kit makes things a little bit easier. Let me pull this off and get back to you guys. Alright, so we're all done. Light is looking magnificent. So we're all done. Light is looking all magnificent. Let me give you a preview. Machine looking crazy. Look at it, oh my gosh, look at those lights. Crystal clear. Yeah, I think I did a great job. A good job, I should say. Look at that, crystal clear. Anybody want them headlight restore, you know who the link. Ooh. E90 looking mean. See that reflection in it? Everybody, check out Gabby, and she's over here playing on her iPhone.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I think I did a great job. Headlights look wonderful. Crystal clear as they're supposed to be. So yeah, I said, thanks for watching again. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, bodies, that's how the thing's set up. Stay tuned for the next one.